What's up, guys? Good morning. So today we got a Genie s-40 with the Ford engine in it, the no start. First thing I can tell you is I don't hear any power going to the fuel pump when I pull the e-stop. So we're gonna start there and check why we're not getting power to the fuel pump, which is right here. Because if you have no power there, it won't do anything else. Let's dig in. Fuse panels up here. I already checked all the fuses and relays. They're all checking good. So let's start wire diagnosis. Tested fuse or relays and checked all fusible links under here. All good. Pulled plugs to see inside. Just make sure it's not hydro locked. All good. Found that this starter off this unit bench test failed. Got a new starter right here. We're gonna put in and see if that cures our issues. Starter goes back here behind the engine. New starter's in. Let's test it. Hope it works. Oh, she runs. Thank God. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hear it? Yes.